And welcome back, YouTube. This is Buster here with another video. Today I got something quite awesome. That being this Capcom Limited Edition tin from the Universal Fighting System TCG. This tin happens to be the Ryu variant. There also exists a Jiri and Viper. Jiri and Viper is featured on the other tin. First things first, I gotta say, this is actually quite a nice tin. The word Capcom is embossed on the top, and the lightning effect of Ryu's uppercut is also embossed. Very nice. The blue is actually really striking, with Ryu in the background, and this character gallery on the right-hand side. I especially like Vega. Sagat really stands out on this particular tin. On the side, you have a very Mega Man-esque looking Jasco Games. Capcom. Jasco Games again. And Capcom. Really want you to know that this is Capcom and Jasco partnership. And the contents of this tin include one exclusive Street Fighter foil card that's 100% exclusive to this particular tin. 6 Capcom booster packs. 3 Street Fighter. 1 Street Fighter vs. Darkstalkers. 1 Mega Man Battle for Power. And 1 Capcom Platinum series. And I gotta say, I'm really excited because I have never opened a Platinum series pack, so I'm really excited to open that. Without further introduction, let's get this tin open. So that is the contents of this particular tin. I wonder where the limited edition card is. It's actually nice that they give you a little baggie instead of like shrink foil wrapped, because that's always kind of annoying. Alright. So this is the limited edition card that you get with each of these tins that you purchase. A Shin Shoryuken, of course featuring Ryu. Very fancy card, I like that a lot. And here are the packs that you get with it. 1 Platinum series. We're going to open this last because I have no idea what it contains. Street Fighter vs. Darkstalkers. Battle for Power Mega Man. And 3 Street Fighter. Now I have opened up a booster box for each of these on this channel, except for the Platinum series. So like I said, I do want to save that one for last. And I am missing cards from each series, so there is a chance we can get something new. First up, I want to open up a couple of the Street Fighters. Maybe we can get something good. Any UR that I don't have, or any rare that I don't have would be much appreciated. Ooh, we do get a character card, one I do already have, but I only have one of, so nice to have an extra kin. Blue Tsunami. Oh, rare's in a different spot for these ones. Interesting. Shin Kayaku is our rare. Yeah, Tomahawk Buster. Brioche Aficionado. Eager to Learn. Haunted by Loss. Sakura Sadoken. Forced into Exile. An Unpredictable Movement. Move that up a little bit so it's more in frame. Sorry about that. We got Devil Reverse, Tiger Knee. Oh, Dowsum, I did not have him. That is a great pull. Very happy to pull Dowsum. Mind Becomes Flame. Hired Muscle is our rare featuring Balrog. Rekaken. Oicho Throw. Friendly Rivalry. Despise All Evil. And Battle Royale. Open up the last of the Street Fighter packs. Be awesome if we could get another new card. Like I said, I was very happy with that Dowsum pull. Did not have him, so that helps out a lot in the collection. We got Sakura's Otoshi, Master of the Fist, United States Champion, Cannon Strike, 100 Hand Slap, so no ultra rare. That's a little bit unfortunate, but you don't get an ultra rare and you're not guaranteed one in the 10s. So. Savage Style, Kin's Shoryuken, Sadistic Boxer, Reverse Spin Kick, and Street Kick. Very nice. Let's open up the Mega Man Battle for Power, which I recently opened on the channel. There are quite a few ultra rares and even quite a few rares that I'm missing yet, so anything new would be much appreciated. We got Turbo Slam, Pressure Sensitive, Deadly Up Close, Suspicious of Mr. X, Peace Interrupted, Fire Slash. Our rare is Homing Missile, which I believe I pulled, if I recall correctly. Premeditated Attack, Feather Shot, and Hi-Fi Stereo, or as I like to call him, the Transformer. We'll open up the Street Fighter vs. Darkstalkers. Now this was a pretty small set compared to Street Fighter and Mega Man. Only contained like 80-some cards, so not a whole lot I'm missing, besides obviously ultra rares. And a couple of character cards. Surprise Soul Flash. Dialek Devil Slayer. Interesting. Reunion Across Dimensions. Spiral Divinia. Comforting Jedediah. That is a rare. Really cool rare, though. Leg Shredder. Fusion Refusal. Enlightened by Defeat. Leaping Elbow Smash. And I Feel Violent. Alright. So, we are down to our last pack, a Platinum series, which I have never opened, and I'm really excited to see what type of cards are contained in the Platinum series. Oh, every card's hollow. That's kind of cool. So we got Reformed Scientist. Our rare is Time Slow. Look at that hollow pattern. That's kind of cool. Thundering Assault. Buddhist Devotion. Crash Bomber. First class materials. Proud Nose. Balanced Fighter. Oh, what's this? Don't know why you're upside down. We got Jiang Shi. And, ooh, what's this? A second rare. Gemini Beam. Very cool looking. I've never opened up a Platinum series, so every card is hollow. That's kind of cool. I really like that. It reminds me of the, like, Yu-Gi-Oh! The smaller Yu-Gi-Oh! Sets that have, what do they call it? Hidden Arsenal. That's it. The Hidden Arsenal line. Kind of cool. So with all that said, that was our, what was the contents of the Capcom Limited Edition Ryu Variant 10. And the rare cards we got were Gemini Beam and Time Slow from the Platinum series, Comforting Jedediah, Homing Missile, 100 Hand Slap, Hired Muscle, and Shin Kayaku. And of course, our limited edition card, only available in this tin, Shin Shoryuken, with a really cool hollow pattern. And it actually has all the character gallery that's on the front of the card. So literally, the card art was the face of the tin. That's really cool. I like that. So with all that said, this has been Booster Box Buster opening up a Capcom, a Universal Fighting System Capcom Limited Edition 10 Ryu variant. Signing out.